Hey everyone, let's dive into an exciting topic that's on everyone's minds in 2023, passive income. As we look ahead to the opportunities and trends in the coming year, it's crucial to understand how passive income can help us achieve financial freedom and create a life of abundance. So, if you're curious about the various passive income streams and how they can benefit you, you've come to the right place. Let's jump right in. Before we get started, let's quickly define what passive income means. In a nutshell, passive income refers to earnings that you generate with minimal active effort or time investment. It's all about creating systems that work for you, even while you're sleeping or enjoying your free time. The beauty of passive income is that it provides you with the potential to break free from the 9-to-5 grind, and build a sustainable income stream that can support your dreams and goals. Throughout this video, we'll explore both traditional and online passive income opportunities. We'll also take a look at some emerging trends that are shaping the landscape of passive income in 2023. So, whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting on your journey to financial independence, this video will provide you with valuable insights and inspiration to take control of your financial future. Definition and benefits of passive income. Alright, now that we're all on the same page, let's discuss the benefits and definition of passive income in more detail. Understanding these fundamental aspects will set the stage for our exploration of passive income opportunities in 2023. Passive income can be defined as money earned regularly with little to no effort on your part after the initial setup. Unlike active income, where you exchange your time and labor for money, passive income allows you to generate earnings passively, creating a more flexible and scalable income stream. Benefit 1: Financial freedom. One of the primary benefits of passive income is the potential to achieve financial freedom. By establishing passive income streams, you're not solely reliant on a single source of income, such as a 9-to-5 job. This diversification provides you with more financial stability, and the freedom to make choices based on your desires rather than financial constraints. Benefit 2: Scalability and unlimited potential. Unlike active income, where your earning potential is limited by the number of hours you can work, passive income offers scalability. You can leverage systems, automation, and technology to reach a wider audience and increase your income exponentially. The sky's the limit when it comes to the potential of passive income. Benefit 3: Wealth creation and generational impact. Passive income has the power to create wealth and leave a lasting legacy. By consistently investing and reinvesting your passive income, you can build substantial wealth over time. This not only benefits you, but also has the potential to positively impact future generations, providing financial security and opportunities for your loved ones. Traditional passive income streams. Now we'll explore traditional passive income streams that have stood the test of time. These opportunities have been relied upon by individuals seeking to generate passive income for decades. Let's dive in. Passive income stream 1: Rental properties. One of the most well-known and lucrative traditional passive income streams is rental properties. Investing in real estate and renting out properties allows you to earn consistent rental income, while also benefiting from potential property appreciation. It does require some initial investment and property management, but it can provide a reliable source of passive income over the long term. Passive income stream 2: Dividends from stocks. Another time-tested passive income stream is investing in dividend-paying stocks. By purchasing stocks of established companies that distribute a portion of their earnings as dividends, you can earn regular dividend payments. This can provide a steady stream of passive income while allowing you to benefit from the potential growth of your investments. Although the payout is low initially, this is one of the easiest ways to start earning passive income. Passive income stream 3: Royalties from intellectual property. If you have a creative side, consider exploring passive income opportunities through royalties from intellectual property. This can include royalties from books, music, patents, or licensing your creative work. While it may require initial effort and investment in creating intellectual property, it can provide ongoing passive income as your work gains popularity. Online passive income opportunities. Alright, now let's talk about the exciting world of online passive income opportunities. In recent years, the internet has opened up new avenues for generating passive income that leverage the power of technology, automation, and global connectivity. Passive income opportunity 1: Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a massively popular online passive income opportunity that involves promoting other people's products or services, and earning a commission for every sale or referral you generate. By building an audience and recommending products through your website, blog, or social media platforms, you can earn passive income as your audience makes purchases based on your recommendations. A great site to check out for this is ClickBank. Passive income opportunity 2, dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model that allows you to sell products without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You earn a profit from the difference between the retail price and the supplier's cost. With the right product selection and effective marketing strategies, dropshipping can provide a scalable and relatively hands-off passive income stream. Passive income opportunity 3, print on demand. Print on demand enables you to create and sell custom-designed merchandise without the need for inventory or upfront costs. You can design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more, and when a customer places an order, the product is printed and shipped. By leveraging online platforms and targeted marketing, print on demand can generate passive income as customers purchase your unique designs. The key to success in these ventures lies in creating valuable content, building an audience, and utilizing effective marketing strategies to reach your target market. Emerging trends in passive income. Last, let's discuss the emerging trends in passive income that are shaping the landscape in 2023. As technology and innovation continue to advance, new opportunities are arising that have the potential to revolutionize the way we generate passive income. Trend 1, decentralized finance. One of the most significant emerging trends in passive income is the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi utilizes blockchain technology to provide financial services without the need for intermediaries. Through DeFi platforms, individuals can participate in various passive income opportunities, such as crypto staking, liquidity provision, and yield farming. These methods allow users to earn rewards and interest by providing their assets to decentralized protocols, opening up new possibilities for passive income in the crypto space. Trend 2, NFTs and digital assets. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have gained significant attention in recent years. NFTs represent unique digital assets, such as artwork, collectibles, or virtual real estate. By creating and selling NFTs, artists and creators can earn ongoing royalties from secondary sales, providing a potential source of passive income. Additionally, the emerging marketplaces and platforms for trading and investing in digital assets offer new opportunities for generating passive income in the digital realm. Trend 3, subscription-based services. Subscription-based services have become increasingly popular and can offer a reliable source of passive income. By creating subscription models for digital products, software, online communities, or exclusive content, you can earn recurring revenue as subscribers pay for continued access. This model allows you to provide ongoing value to your audience while generating passive income from their subscription payments. Trend 4, automated investing and robo-advisors. Automated investing and robo-advisors have gained traction as a passive income option for those looking to grow their wealth. These platforms utilize algorithms and artificial intelligence to manage investment portfolios automatically. By investing in diversified portfolios tailored to individual risk profiles and goals, individuals can generate passive income through capital appreciation, dividends, and interest, all with minimal effort and involvement. These are just a few examples of emerging trends in passive income that are worth exploring in 2023. Keep in mind that as the landscape evolves, new opportunities will continue to emerge. It's essential to stay informed and adapt to changing trends to maximize your passive income potential. As we come to the end of this video, I want to emphasize the importance of diversifying your passive income streams and conducting thorough research before investing in any opportunity. Remember, passive income requires initial effort and ongoing maintenance to ensure its success. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on passive income and financial independence. Thank you for joining me on this journey through passive income in 2023. I wish you all the best in your pursuit of financial freedom and the creation of a life filled with abundance. Remember, passive income is a powerful tool that can help you achieve financial freedom, create wealth, and live life on your terms. It's essential to educate yourself, explore different opportunities, and take action to build multiple streams of passive income that align with your goals and interests. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the world of passive income in 2023. We hope this video provides you with valuable insights and ideas for generating passive income streams. Remember, taking action and staying consistent is key to realizing your financial goals. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Wishing you success and abundance on your passive income journey. Until next time.